Hi guys, so today I went to Hobby Lobby and I finally found some of the clearance stickers and like scrapbooking stuff that everybody's been hauling. So I just wanted to come on here and show you what I got today. We spent $35 and we got, I think it says on here, 32 items. So I don't know if you can see that, but which is not a bad deal at all for the stuff we got. So I'm just going to show you quickly what we got. Mostly it was all stickers. Sorry if you can hear my sister running around. She's got new sneakers, so she's testing them out. And now she's going to come downstairs. Okay, so this is the first pack of stickers I got. It was only 62 cents. I got two of these ones because me and my sister both scrapbook, so we each wanted a pack. They were only 57 cents. These ones were 62 cents as well. My mom picked these ones out. She hates the scrapbooking store, but she picked these out. We got 2 packs of these Mombi stickers for only 75 cents. So that's not a bad deal. We got these ones. And sorry if you can hear my jacket scraping along the table. It's really cold down here. These ones, they're super cute little cats. Got some of these wood stars. Little sock monkeys. They were only $1. I mean, this is such a good deal, this stuff. Like, I could not believe it. We drove an hour and a half away. I have one that's an hour away. But that when I went to that one last week, they hadn't started their markdowns, so we ended up going out to Niagara, which is like an hour and a half away from us, and we found some good deals, which I'm really happy about. These ones, if you can't tell, we kind of like dogs and cats. And these ones, it's double-sided, so you get a lot of stickers in there, and it's such a good deal. And these are such nice stickers, too. Look at their, like, 3D for only $1. And then these ones we got because we have the matching washi tape. Like, the washi tape has, I think it's either the elephant or the rhinoceros all over it, which is so cute, and it's only 50 cents. So that's all the stickers we got. And then I got some, just some extra things. I got the unicorn die cut, like the acrylic pieces. I've been seeing everybody get, which I was really excited to find these. I think they're really cute. I got these to make some more of those binder ring flip books. I think they're so fun. And I only have silver ones of these, so I'm excited to have these colored ones. And my mom actually found these as well, so. I got another set of these die cut things. The little globes. Only $1, and you get, let's see how many is in here. Of course it's covered. You get 9 in here, so that's not a bad deal. Oh, this wasn't on sale, but we used a 40% off coupon on it because my Nana, she likes to wear these pins like on her shirts, so we just got her this. And then I got these paper clips. They're like unicorns. Thought they were cute. And then I got some ribbon, some lace, the silver one. We have this in the rose gold one and the gold, and we really like it, so we thought we'd pick up silver. And then we got this one. Oh, that was cute. And then the last thing we got on clearance was this washi tape. It's with the little cats on it. I think it's so cute. But yeah, $1.25 and you get 2 rolls in there. And look how much is on there. Like, there's so much on here. But yeah, so that's all the clearance deals we got. Minus this one last thing. I got a die cut machine today, which I'm really excited. But all the dies were like completely wiped out besides this one, which says, it says Ola. It says Ola, and then there was a Gracias ones, but I don't really make like thank you cards, so I didn't want to get that. So I got this one to play around with, and I think I have like a random die in my stamp somewhere that like cuts out a stamp. So I might play around with that a little bit. So yeah, but I got this die, and then I got I hope you guys can see this. Let me make sure. A little out of frame. But yeah, I got the Sizzix BigKick die cut machine. And I thought it would be kind of fun if I opened it up for you guys. So let me move the camera around a little bit, and then I'll open it up and show you what comes in this box. Okay, so hopefully that's a better view for you guys. But yes, so this is the Sizzix BigKick machine. It was originally $119 at Hobby Lobby. And I used my 40% off coupon and got it for, it ended up, the whole total order was $76 with tax. I know I probably could have gotten a better deal at Michael's if I had waited for the 50% off coupon or even the 60%, but I was at Hobby Lobby, really wanted one, so I got it. Here's what it looks like in the box. I'm just gonna take that out. And I guess this comes with a machine, the like regular cutting plate, and then a multi-purpose cutting plate. I don't know exactly what, sorry. I don't know exactly what that does or like how die cut machines work, but I have a okay understanding. So hopefully I'm able to figure out well. These are heavy, like I didn't realize how heavy these were. So this is what it looks like. It looks like the handle is off to the side here. Got the handle with the pieces to put it together. Hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna take the tape off. I'm kind of confused. Let's see, how do I get this out? Maybe I put this on first. Oh. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, so this is the machine. Cute. It has the handle here. Okay, I like that. That's cool. And then we have the cutting plates here. I don't know how to get this out. Oh. Okay. So it has safety instructions here. Oh, and how to put the handle on. So I'm sure I'll be able to do that. I won't bore you guys with that. There's that. There's the two cutting plates. So from what I understand, you just put the paper in between these and then it slides through. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out and then I'll come back and show you guys how to use it in case you're like me and new to it. So yeah, let me get this together and kind of figure it out and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I was just messing around with this and it's actually, this die is really cute. It's the Ola one that I showed you before. And this is the first one I've done. This is the very first die cut I've ever made. And I already put a mark on my thing. I guess I wasn't supposed to use the number 2 mat. I probably could have gone with the 1, I guess. It didn't cut all the way through, but yeah, that's the first one and I already made a mistake. So, oh well. It still works fine, I guess. But I did that with some thin paper. And then now I'm going to go in with some like thicker cardstock and cut it out. So I'm just doing what I see other people do on YouTube. Didn't watch a video since I got this. Don't know what I'm doing. But we're getting it done. Okay, so I'm going to use this first one, I guess. Does it go behind? No. Okay. So I'm gonna put this down again. If you guys are watching this and cringing, I'm sorry. I'm doing the best I can. Okay. And then you put this on top. So I have this plain mat down, or this extended cutting mat down. I'm using like the last page of it, I guess you could say. And then I have the clear cutting mat on here because it says this is not a cutting surface. And then I have the one that's going on top. I'm just putting that in there. Oh, okay, I don't think that's doing anything. So maybe I want to try it with the first one on there. And then this one. And I'll put this on top. Let's see how that works. Kind of moves the plate. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I have to push the plate through. It's not doing anything. Yeah, like, I'm literally not doing anything. And it didn't cut anything either. So I guess I do have to use this one. But I don't know why it would have cut through my plate like that. I'm confused. Let me try it again. And we'll see what happens. Oops. Jennifer McGuire makes this look so easy. I was not expecting this to be that difficult. Okay, so this is like really hard. I think it's getting through my mat again. But I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so that was once through. Last time I did it like backwards again. Let's see. It did cut again, and it did cut it out. But you can see it cut through it. So, I don't know. If you guys have tips for not cutting your plates, let me know, because that's a little sad. But oh well, it still works. Not a big deal. So that's the die cut. It works really well. Like, the die cut itself and the machine works. Like, it's not a big deal. But I don't know how this mat works with these cutting plates so that it doesn't do this. I don't know. So I tried it with all the different, here, I don't know what you can see, so I'm going to move this over a little bit. But I tried it with all of the pages, like every different page, and nothing happened on the other ones, so I don't know. Maybe if I put foam underneath it, like next time? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what to do. But this is so cute. I'm so excited. I couldn't find the die that like we had randomly from a stamp set, like I said earlier. But I'm going to look for it, and I'm also going to get dies, I think, from AliExpress.com. Like, I don't know. If you have special sellers you like, let me know, because I'm going to look on there. But I won't get those for probably like another month or 2 months. So in the meantime, I might go out to Michael's and look. That's kind of cute. Look at that. But I might go out to Michael's and look at the dies, and then I might look at like ordering online from Amazon. So if I do get some dies, I will of course make a haul video for it to show you guys, whoops, to show you guys what I ended up getting and if I like them or not. But so far, this is so fun. This is so cute. I sold my Cricut machine, if you guys don't know, to get this. So I actually made my money back on the Cricut and then bought this. So the Cricut I sold for $170, and then I bought this for $76. So I have about an extra $100 to spend on dies, which is a lot of money. So I don't think I'll spend it all on dies, but you never know. I'm a shopping girl. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.